I'll be reviewing the HP OmniDesk AI desktop PC. And at any point during this review, if you want to take a closer look or grab one at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Picture this. You sit down at your desk, hit the power button, and before you've even taken a sip of coffee, everything you need is already open, loaded, and ready to go. That's been my everyday experience with the HP OmniDesk AI PC. And honestly, it's changed how I work. This desktop is powered by the Intel Core Ultra 7 265 processor with 20 cores. And in real-world use, that translates to effortless speed. I've had dozens of Chrome tabs open, heavy spreadsheets running, video calls going, and background apps syncing, all at the same time without a single hiccup. Pair that with 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM and multitasking stops feeling like multitasking. Everything just flows. Boot times? Blink and you'll miss it fast. The 2TB Gen 4 NVMe SSD means Windows 11 Pro launches almost instantly, and large files move at lightning speed. If you work with big documents, databases, or even light photo and video editing, this alone saves you serious time every single day. Connectivity is another huge win. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, my connection has been rock solid, even in a busy home office. I've got monitors, external drives, a keyboard, mouse, printer, you name it, plugged in thanks to the 10 total USB ports, including 10 Gbps USB-C. And with HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort, running dual or even high-resolution displays is easy. What really gives peace of mind here is that this system is assembled and stress-tested in the USA, backed by a 3-year hardware warranty and lifetime technical support. That's huge, especially if you rely on your PC for business or daily productivity. Now, to keep this balanced, there is one thing to be aware of. This system uses integrated Intel graphics, so it's not designed for high-end gaming or heavy 3D rendering. But for business users, office work, content creation, and everyday productivity, it absolutely shines. If you want a desktop that feels fast today and still feels fast years from now, this is a seriously smart upgrade. Check out the links below in the description to grab the HP OmniDesk AI PC at a great price.
Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.